Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup, and 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs for cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups are made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon is made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. The stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon has engraved clearly the size mark. No more guests in the kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offers 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Onion slicer. Multifunctional onion slicer. Javar onion holder slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Convenient and easy. The onion holder slicer allows you to replace your hands while cutting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone to use. Dishwasher safe. With its smooth surface and high-quality material, the onion holder slicer is easy to clean. Salt and pepper grinder. High-quality glass brushed stainless steel salt and pepper mill set. Home easy salt and pepper mills are easy to grip and made of the highest grade non-corrosive, brushed stainless steel, and BPA-free glass bottle. This salt grinder and pepper grinder set is a modern, classy, and user-friendly addition to your kitchen accessories. Perfect for a gourmet meal or dinner party. Great gift or party favor. Asterisk salt and pepper not included. Easily adjustable ceramic grinder. Our salt and pepper shakers have a larger heavy-duty ceramic rotor than competitors. Just twist the knob at the top of each salt and pepper shaker to set your desired coarseness of salt, pepper, or spice. An authentic home EC salt and pepper mill pair and funnel arrive in branded packaging with a foam tray to protect your salt and pepper grinder mills. Chef ebook will be emailed. Vacuum sealer. Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark powerful, quick easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. SUI Chef Preserve Ultimate Starter Bundle includes 1 compact vacuum sealer, 30 reusable vacuum bags, 3 glass vacuum containers. Money bag reduce waste and save money. Chef Preserve keeps food fresh 5 times longer than non-vacuum storage methods. Never worry about spoilage ever again. White heavy checkmark powerful, quick easy to use. Simply press the button to start. The device vacuum seals a bag in 5 seconds and automatically shuts off when done. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans. Rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Potento ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 millimeters ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker, yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Kitchen shears. Premium stainless steel blades. Built to resist rust and maintain sharpness, these stainless steel blades easily cut through everyday kitchen items like vegetables, herbs, meat, and packaging with clean, precise cuts. Enhanced cutting performance. Featuring micro-serrated edges, the blades offer a superior grip on food and materials, minimizing slips for effortless, smooth cutting every time. Extra thick blades add strength and durability, ideal for frequent use. Soft, comfort grip handle. Designed for extended use, the handle provides a comfortable, secure grip with a soft, non-slip coating, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring control while cutting. Includes protective sheath. Comes with a convenient, sturdy plastic sheath to protect the blades when not in use, ensuring safety and blade longevity. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. While hand washing is recommended to maintain blade quality, these shears are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Kitchen oven baking pans. 3-piece set. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick cookware set includes the small, medium, and large size of cookie pans. These are a flexible, stylish, and non-stick carbon steel bakeware set with red silicone handles. Non-stick coating. The PTFE/PFWA/PFOS-free non-stick pot set cooking, where features a long-lasting non-stick coating for easy food release or tossing, cleaning healthy cooking with heat-resistant lacquer exterior, making it resistant to high heat. Durable bakeware set. These cookie pans are made from carbon steel non-stick coating that resists warping to keep your baking, roasting, toasting for years. It is suitable for the oven, refrigerator, and freezer. A reliable cookie sheet oven pan style. Handles the heat, bold-colored, commercial-grade restaurant-quality metal bakeware provide a confident grasp while taking the baking pans out of the oven where they are oven-safe to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Sponge holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Satisfaction guaranteed. The Sicily kitchen sink organizer is ready to use upon receipt. No installation required, and is widely used on counters or bathrooms, making it a satisfying gift. If you have any questions during use, please consult our customer service staff. We want to provide you with a pleasant shopping experience. Cast iron burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cook 3 foods at one time. This set of 3 thermometers takes away the guesswork with individual time and temperature tracking for 3 different foods simultaneously. Unlimited wireless range. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker and get app notifications for real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Hours of use with minutes of charging. This indoor-outdoor thermometer is ready when you need it with 40-plus hours of use from a 10-minute charge or charge for 1 minute and get hours of use. Easy cleaning.